When your Arctic King portable air conditioner isn't working properly, these common troubleshooting steps can help you identify and fix the problem quickly. First, if your unit won't turn on at all, start with the basics. Check that the power cord is securely plugged into a working outlet and verify your home's circuit breaker hasn't tripped. If the fan won't start, repeat the same power checks. Additionally, inspect the condenser coil for dirt buildup and clean it with a soapy water mixture if needed. If your AC isn't cooling properly, first ensure it's set to cooling mode, not fan or dry mode. Check that your unit has enough BTU capacity. You need about 20 BTU per square foot of room space. Most importantly, check your air filter. A dirty filter restricts airflow and severely impacts cooling performance. Clean your filter every 2 weeks for optimal operation. Water leaking from your unit usually indicates a blocked condensate line. Use a wet-dry vacuum to clear the blockage, then flush the line with soapy water to prevent future clogs. Finally, if your unit is making unusual noises, try placing it on a carpet or rubber mat to reduce vibration. Also, ensure at least 20 inches of clearance around the unit for proper airflow and to minimize noise. These troubleshooting steps solve most common Arctic King portable AC problems. Regular maintenance like cleaning filters and ensuring proper placement will keep your unit running efficiently and extend its lifespan. Understanding error codes and proper maintenance will keep your Arctic King portable air conditioner running efficiently. Let's decode the most common error messages first. Error codes appear on your display when the unit detects a problem. Each code tells you exactly what needs attention. E1 indicates a room temperature sensor error. The sensor that reads your room temperature may need professional attention. E2 points to an evaporator temperature sensor issue. This sensor monitors the cooling coil temperature. E3 signals a condenser temperature sensor problem. This affects the heat rejection process. E4 suggests a display panel communication error. Try resetting the unit first. P1 means the bottom tray is full and needs draining. Connect the drain hose and empty the collected water. Now let's move to essential maintenance tips that will prevent many of these errors and keep your unit running smoothly. Clean your air filter every 2 weeks. A dirty filter restricts airflow and reduces cooling efficiency. Clean the coils regularly with commercial coil cleaner. Dirty coils reduce heat transfer and cooling performance. Keep drain lines clear to prevent water leakage. Use a wet-dry vacuum to remove blockages and flush with soapy water. During off-season, store your unit covered in a closet. Always unplug before cleaning and wear protective gear for safety. Regular maintenance prevents most problems and extends your unit's life. When in doubt, contact Arctic King support or a certified HVAC technician for professional assistance.